Your Solterra offers the flexibility and ease of two different charging options. DC fast chargers let you charge quickly on the go, and AC chargers are the most common type for everyday purposes. Your Solterra comes with a Level 1 AC charger, but we recommend consulting Qmerit for the installation of a Level 2 AC charger at home. Using the vehicle touchscreen, you can set up an at-home charging schedule that best meets your needs. Before charging, it's always a good idea to check the charging connector to make sure it's not damaged. With the vehicle doors unlocked, open the charge port door and only the upper connection cap. Insert the connector straight into the charging inlet until it clicks and locks into place. If needed, you can change this automatic lock setting. In the vehicle settings, select Vehicle Customize, then go to the charging menu and select Connector Lock. When charging begins, an indicator light will illuminate. The gauge display inside the Solterra will show you the approximate time until the battery is full. Once charging is complete, unlock your doors, push the latch release button, and pull the charging connector straight out. Then close the connection cap and charge port door. You're all set to head out. While most public chargers are Level 2 AC, some charging stations offer DC fast charging. These chargers can give the Solterra up to an 80% charge in about an hour. To find your nearest charging station, download the app from our preferred partner, EVgo. To ensure you can charge seamlessly, create an account before it's time to plug in. When you're ready to get started with a DC fast charger, first check the charging connector for possible damage and follow any instructions provided by the charging station. Open the charge port door in both the upper and lower connection caps. Insert the connector straight into the charging inlets. Then use the EVgo app to begin charging. After a quick system check, the connector will lock into place and the charging indicator light will illuminate. If you're on the go but using a Level 2 charger, you may see the indicator light flashing slowly, meaning your charging schedule is currently set up for an overnight charge. To bypass this schedule, a prompt on the gauge display will ask you if you'd like to charge now. Simply press OK on the steering wheel. When it's time to disconnect, stop the charging session at the station. Unlock your doors and remove the connector by pulling it straight out. Then close the connection caps and port door. You're all set. Whether you're at home or on the go, your Solterra makes charging simple.